everyone, it's Andy from Andersen Windows, and I'm going to show you one of the easiest things you can do, which is how to clean your double hung windows. So the first thing you're going to need is just some soft, either paper towels or cloth. Make sure not to use anything abrasive, and then just some regular over-the-counter window cleaner. Super, super easy. What you want to do is come over to the window, just unlock it, raise it up slightly, and then pinch these clips in. And you're gonna see how easily the whole window tilts in. Now, one of the most important things you need to do is make sure you've got a very sturdy surface like a stool, a chair, like I have here, or a table to hold that window when it tilts in. Safe and secure. Just gonna give it a couple sprays, like that. I bring my paper towels over. Couldn't be easier. I'm holding onto the window just to support it a little bit more. Cleaning all the corners. That's it. Bring it back up, watching the cord from my window line, snap it into place. And with the 200 series, I like to give it a little jiggle, make sure it's all secured, take it back down, and locked. Perfectly easy to clean, less than a minute.